I'm Alan and I work for the Network Security Business Unit here at Cisco. For this video, I want to talk to you about the Cisco Next Generation Firewall solution, and in particular, the management choices that we have. At Cisco, we recognize the need to have stronger security policy management practices that can effectively protect your business at scale. That's why we offer security management solutions that maintain consistent policies, that enable you to write a policy once and scale enforcement consistently across a multitude of security controls throughout your network. Reduce complexity by providing automated management and threat correlation across tightly integrated security functions, including application firewalling, next-generation IPS, and advanced malware protection. And we also help to accelerate key security functions by leveraging existing resources to make your teams more efficient by removing manual processes where possible. Right now, we have three options for managing the Cisco Next Generation Firewall. One is the on-premise centralized management through the Firepower Management Center, or FMC. Two is our cloud-based centralized management through Cisco Defense Orchestrator, or CDO. And three, we have our on-box local management through Firepower Device Manager, or FDM. We have other videos taking you through all of these options, but for this video, I'm going to focus on the Firepower Management Center. The Firepower Management Center, or FMC, is your on-premise enterprise administrative nerve center for managing critical Cisco network security solutions. It provides complete and unified management over firewalls, application visibility control, intrusion prevention, URL filtering, and advanced malware protection. With the FMC, you can easily go from managing a firewall to controlling applications to investigating and remediating malware outbreaks, all with up-to-date information in the form of customizable dashboards and event visualization. The FMC enables centralized management for the following Cisco network security solutions: the Firepower Next Generation Firewall, also known as Firepower Threat Defense, the ASA with Firepower Services, Firepower Next Generation Intrusion Prevention, the Firepower Threat Defense for ISR, and Advanced Malware Protection, or AMP. This makes it easier than ever to manage events and policy for distributed devices. A key differentiator of the FMC is how it provides total visibility into your network. There can be a multitude of devices, operating systems, and applications on your network, and having visibility is crucial to being able to secure them. After all, you can't protect what you can't see. The FMC allows us to see the constantly changing users, hosts, applications, files, devices, threats and vulnerabilities that exist both in your physical and in your virtual network environments. It then uses this knowledge of your network to prioritize alerts and responses based upon the relevance of the threat. So for example, a threat targeting an application deployed on a specific operating system in your network will be assigned a higher priority alert. This means it can be dealt with faster. Whereas a threat targeting an application or device that is not present in your environment will be assigned a lower priority alert for review at a later time. This means you get to focus on the important security events as they happen. When it comes to access control and threat management, the FMC lets you deploy security straight out of the box with Cisco recommended security policies. But the true power, however, lies in the ability to design your own security policies to match the specific needs of your organization. The access control policy lets you control access based on traditional firewall controls such as IP addresses, ports, and services, but then it's the next generation control that really provides users with the granular security that Firepower is known for. Security zones enable rule simplification, application visibility control enables tighter control over applications in use on your network, next generation IPS provides deep protection against known and unknown threats, whilst integration with Cisco TrustSec allows a consistent policy approach across the entire network. The FMC can even automatically correlate security events with the traffic flows in your environment in order to recommend security policies that you can then put in place. This helps to reduce demands on resources and even reduce costs. Scalability and flexibility are critical functions of a centralized management platform. That's why the FMC can manage up to 750 devices and allow you to create a multi-tenancy management environment with up to 100 management domains, each with separate policies, event data, reporting, and network mapping, all enforced through granular role-based access control. The deployment options are flexible too. The FMC can be deployed as a physical or a virtual appliance. You can choose which option works best for your environment. The physical appliances generally manage a high number of devices and provide greater event storage, whereas the virtual appliances provide the convenience of being able to use your existing virtual infrastructure. You can also use private and/or public cloud computing services to host that management center. These services can help you manage security without you having to invest in computing power or database storage. They also give you the flexibility to scale quickly as needs change. These are just some of the benefits that the FMC provides. For more information, take a look at our website or contact a Cisco representative. Thanks for taking the time to watch and listen, and please take a look at the other videos about the Cisco Next Generation Firewall solution in this section.